So here are the 6 collectible altitude collection amenity kits. Now these are from LATAM's premium economy. They do also have these for business class and larger sizes. Now the larger sizes include Costa Brazil products. So let's take a look at each one. So the altitude collection, it's really different places in South America with and they display the altitude. So this is the no real order of importance, but this is the first kit here. So this is inspired by Vinicunca. Then we've got Atacama. Then we've got Lake Titicaca. We move up here. Salar de Uyuni. Got Amazonas, which is the least of the altitudes you'll see on these kits. And here you've got Aconcagua. So you've got the 6 kits in the different colors here, represented by the places they are. So you've got representation from Peru, a couple of representation from Peru, Chile, a couple of representations from Chile, Brazil, and Bolivia. So as far as my favorite kit, now the kits all contain the same things. At this level, the kits just have basic amenities, so you don't get the Costa Brazil products. What you do get is, so outside of the nice little bag you can use to store things when you finish, the tag about the altitude collection. You've got the toothbrush, the bamboo toothbrush, small toothpaste. You've got earplugs, socks, and an eye mask. So that's what you actually get in the kits. Okay, so if you're curious which kit I like the most, now color-wise, I would say it's the red. I like the red here, but which one holds the most significance? Because as of right now, as a filming this video, out of all of these altitude destinations, I've only been to one place, and that is Atacama. So this one would be my favorite because it holds the most significance. Later on, I will be visiting Lake Titicaca, but of all the places, this one has the most significance because I thoroughly enjoyed my time at Atacama in northern Chile. So that's my favorite, just based off of the destinations or even colors. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite color amenity kit from LATAM's altitude collection.